Today's story is Tub Time. We're going to begin by looking at the CVC words that you can find in this story. Remember, CVC words have 3 letters: a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant. And we can sound out these words. Let's take a look at the first words. Let's say the sounds together. Say them with me. Ready? Begin. B, tub. Good. Next one. G, et, get. S, b, sub. Ready? Let's read. F, n, fun. K, n, can. L, g, lug. Ready? Begin. Y, et, yet. R, rub. D, dub. Did you say the sounds and blend the CVC words with me? Great work. What do you notice about the underlined letter in each of the words? What kind of letter is it? That's right, it's a vowel. And all these vowels in CVC words make the short vowel sound. Now we're going to take a look at some more CVC words. Let's say these words, saying first the sounds and then blending them together, just like we did with the other words. Remember, in a CVC word, the vowel is going to make its short vowel sound. Ready? Say the sounds. T, a, g, tag. J, a, g, jog. H, a, p, hop. L, a, t, lot. F, ox, fox. Are you saying all the sounds with me? Great work. Let's try the next row. Ready? Say the sounds. M, a, p, mop. K, b, cub. H, at, hat. S, b, sub. K, id, kid. And the last row. Say the sounds out loud with me. Ready? Here we go. P, it, pit. S, ad, sad. B, bam. D, dud. M, mom. Great work. Now that you've had a chance to practice your CVC words, we're going to practice the sight words that we find in our story. You can see our sight words, many of them have hearts. Those hearts mean that we need to memorize by heart certain parts of the word. Those parts of the word do not make the sound we normally make when we get to those letters. Let's take a look at the first word. This is the word time. Time is a silent E word. The E at the end makes the I say its name, I, time. The next word is here. Here has an E-R-E at the end, and the E-R-E says ear. This is the word here. This is the word will. How many L's do you see at the end? That's right, will has 2 L's at the end. We need to remember that. This is the word play. The A-Y makes the A sound. Play. With. In the word with, we have a digraph, the TH at the end, and it makes the th sound. With. Here we have the word have. Normally you'd think it would look like this. Have. But we have an E at the end that's silent that we have to memorize by heart. Have. This is the word now. The OW makes the ow sound. Now. We have to remember OW by heart. This is the combination of 2 CVC words. Can and not for the word cannot. This is the word cannot. Now we're going to play a game called Beat the Teacher. Get your highlighter out, and you are going to try to say the word before I do. If you say the word correctly before I do, you get to highlight the word. If you don't say the word correctly or before I do, that's okay. Leave the word blank. Ready? Get your highlighter ready and let's play. Say the first word. Time. Highlight time if you said it before I did. Say the next word. Here. Say the word. Will. Say the word. Play. Say the word. With. Say the word. Have. Say the word. Now. And say the last word. Cannot. Count up how many words you highlighted and write that number here where it says score. Now let's go ahead and try this again. We're going to begin at the top. You're going to highlight words that you say correctly, and you're going to leave words blank that you don't say correctly or before me. Say the first word. Time. Say the next word. Here. Say the next word. Will. Say the word. Play. Say the word. With. Say the word. Have. Say the word. Now. Say the word. Cannot. Now count up how many words you highlighted and write that number here where it says score. Were you able to say more words than the first time? Let's see how you do the last time we play the game. Get ready with your highlighter and say the first word. Time. Say the next word. Here. Say the word. Will. Say the word. Play. Say the word. With. Say the word. Have. Say the word. Now. Say the last word. Cannot. Find how many words you said correctly, count them up, and put your score right here. Our goal is to be able to say all 8 words correctly eventually and to have our score go up each time. Great work saying your sight words. Now I'm going to have you do some detective work. We're going to go through our book and you're going to see if you can find the sight words in the book. On page 1 there's one sight word right here on the cover. Say the sight word you see. That's right, the word is time. Tub, time. On page 1, you're going to see 2 sight words. Look for them as I read the story. Here is the tub. I will get my sub. Say the 2 sight words you found. That's right, here and will. Great work. No sight words on this page, just follow along as I read. I lug my sub to the tub. It is a big sub. On this next page, there are 4 sight words. Look for them as I read. I get in the tub with my sub. I cannot play with my sub yet. What 4 sight words did you find on this page? Say them out loud now. Did you find with, cannot, play, and with? Keep up the good work. On this next page, there are no sight words. Just follow along. Rub a dub, dub. 1 sight word on this page. Now I can get my sub. Say the sight word that you found. Now. On this next page, there are 5 sight words. Look for them as I read. I play with my sub in the tub. I will have fun with my sub. Say the 5 sight words you found. Did you say play, with, will, have, and with? Very nice work. Now we're going to go ahead and start reading the story. You'll see our CVC words and our sight words in the story as we read. Read out loud with me and say the words with me together. Ready? Say the words. Tub, time. Say the words with me. Here is the tub. I will get my sub. Keep saying the words out loud. I lug my sub to the tub. It is a big sub. I get in the tub with my sub. I cannot play with my sub yet. Great job saying the words with me. Keep going. Rub a dub dub. Now I can get my sub. All right, let's read this last page together. Here we go. I play with my sub in the tub. I will have fun with my sub. Great work, friends. Now it's time for some duet reading. In duet reading, we read every other word. I will say the words in white. You will say the words in yellow. So for this example, I would say tub, and you would say time. We're going to continue doing it this way. I'll say all the words that are white, and you'll say all the words that are yellow. Ready? Let's begin. Tub. Say the words in yellow. Here, the, I, get, sub. Did you say all the words in yellow out loud? Great job. Let's keep going. I, my, to, tub. Is, big, I, in, tub, my, I, play, my, yet. Rub, dub. Great job saying the words in yellow. Keep it up. Now, can, my, I, with, sub, the, I, have, with, sub. Great job reading Tub Time and practicing your CVC words and your sight words. In the next video, we'll be doing this book again and doing some writing with it. Great job, friends!